you guys, what's up? We're out here at Great Lakes Linux. We're with the boys. We got Sam and we got Ben and we got the 2017 F150 STX, which I'm kind of disgusted with because look at the state of this bed, man. I didn't get a Linux in it. Now I got dents happening from logs. I mean, the littlest thing dents and scratches this bed. It sucks. What are you gonna do for it, Ben?
Well, I mean, the name of the game here is we got to put bed protection in. We got to make sure that we reinforce that metal. And a little known fact about, you know, any sort of a coating that you apply to aluminum is that it reinforces it and makes it much stronger. So we're going to apply approximately 3/16 of an inch of our product to this and make it infinitely stronger and awkward. And yeah,
he likes to be in the video.
We're gonna do it up, but you know, if we take a pop can, just an open pop can, and spray it, you can put a vehicle on it. I mean, it's amazing how much it reinforces steel or aluminum in this situation.
It reinforces steel or aluminum.
Nice. Now coming in here as a customer already, like obviously your wisdom to me is I should have came sooner.
Yeah.
Can you work with this though?
We can fix it. We can get it all cleaned up. Obviously the dents, I mean, we have and can repair dents if requested. But the idea is you want to get it done first before you're going to use your truck.
Yeah, get it done first before you.
Are you just repeating
Right.
what I'm saying?
Are you repeating what I'm saying?
This is how it happens, you guys, over here at Linux all the time, these two. It's funny. And you guys, we brought a toolbox along because at the end, because Ben believes in this product so much, he's like, you know what, Dan? We're just going to throw this toolbox in the back of your truck when we're done, and it's not even going to make a dent. So we're going to hold him to that, because if it does, we're going to have some trouble.
We don't really know, but we're going to give it a shot.
But you believe it.
I'm confident that
I believe it.
I believe. We're not going to poke holes, and we're not going to destroy the integrity of your bed.
Right.
I think we'll be good.
We're going to protect it.
I think we'll be good.
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, let's get this. All right, you guys, when you bring your car in, what they do is they take the hardware out. All the hardware comes out, and then they start taping off, and they use this metal edge tape. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to zoom in for you guys. Hold on. Bear with me. That metal edge tape right there. See, that's where that tape goes, right there. So that tape is allowing them to make these really nice tape lines. This is where they do the tailgate, and as you can see right now he's prepping the tailgate, and what he's going to do is put this metal band tape around it, get it all masked off, and then they're going to put it in the booth behind me, spray it, and then they'll go ahead and pull off that tape, which will leave a beautiful line. So you know, these guys are experts. As you can see, they're just getting the truck prepped. There's one in the booth right now, I'll show you, a Raptor. And I mean, these guys got it down to a science. As you can see, only the back of the Raptor is in the booth, so there's no chance of overspray or anything from hitting the vehicle outside there. So Ben, dude, what did you do to the truck, man? I know that it looks beautiful now, and I know it looked like crap before. So what have we added to this vehicle?
Yeah, I mean, you had some scratches, some dents and stuff from previous use. Obviously, like we talked about, you want to definitely get it done before you use it and abuse it. But you know, we took care of all that, all the debris and everything, all the scratches, got everything all cleaned up, sprayed it, did a beautiful premium bed liner, and you're good to go, man.
And I mean, even I'm kind of impressed that even the dents are hidden.
Yeah.
I mean,
it'll fill to some extent, and it's a thick coating. I mean, it's 60 pounds of material on the back of your truck now.
So how tough is it? Because I know Chevy's got a commercial where they throw. I mean, I was concerned. Yeah, that toolbox going through my bed, I don't need that.
Yeah, man, well, you know, we're going to demonstrate the exact same test. I actually got the exact same toolbox.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, the Ford version.
Yeah, this is,
yeah. No, not the plastic toolbox. No.
No?
There we go.
Oh, you're going to do the real box. All right.
All right.
Ready?
Give it a shove.
Wow. Did a whole lot of nothing.
Wow, so pretty much no damage, and this is a metal toolbox. I mean, obviously you guys, and I'm like moving it around, and all we got is these little scratches here.
Well, and keep in mind, this was just sprayed 15 minutes ago.
Yeah.
So this is not even remotely 100% cured yet, but you can already see the performance difference.
Wow, you want to jump up in there and just drop the thing one more time?
Sure do.
I mean, I'm kind of impressed with that, you know?
Ready?
Yep.
I'm sorry about your toolbox.
No, I'm not worried about the toolbox. Obviously, you guys, there's no tools in it, but that thing's got to weigh 10, 15 pounds. This is an all metal rally box, right?
I'm sorry what my Line-X did to your toolbox.
Yeah, right? But, man, see, super impressive. And another great thing about this now is it's not going to slide all over.
No, you'll have plenty of gription, is what we like to call it.
Right.
You won't have any. You won't have any issues as far as things sliding around.
Hashtag gription.
Yeah, cool, good stuff, you guys. And if they want to talk to someone about Line-X, what do they do?
Just go to our website, golinx.info. Give us a shout at 815-455-0123, or stop on in.
And why should they use you guys other than anybody else?
Because we're the premier Line-X in the country.
Really?
Number one, baby.
Who says?
This guy, #1 in the universe.
Oh, damn!
Right.
Alright, you guys, check it out. Tools in Action, hashtag TI Crew. Obviously, start the bitch in, you know, you Chevy guys, whatever. But I would definitely not get a Ford or any pickup truck without putting a Line-X in it, you guys. This is tough stuff.
What?
The blue cow
I don't know what that was.
Oh, that's sick, man.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.